And an F grade for racist Judge Sotomayor of the U.S. Supreme Court. This is Dr. David D. Shine, and welcome to this special Saving America episode where I award a well-deserved F grade to a politician, so-called celebrity, or some other waste of space who's managed to catch the public eye. The badge of dishonor today belongs to the racist justice on the U.S. Supreme Court, Sonia Sotomayor, who, generally speaking, rules the wrong way on just about everything that crosses her desk. There are a few exceptions, but by God, there's not many. The Supreme Court constitutionalists correctly ruled that just making decisions at the university admission level based on skin color is a violation of the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. That amendment provides for equal treatment for all of us. Of course, we suffer from a communist-controlled U.S. Department of Justice that doesn't understand the 14th Amendment. Hopefully that'll get fixed, but that's for another Saving America episode. Let me read from the majority decision. At the same time, nothing prohibits universities from considering an applicant's discussion of how race affected the applicant's life, so long as that discussion is concretely tied to the quality of character or unique ability that the particular applicant contribute to the university. Many universities have for too long wrongly concluded that the touchstone of an individual's identity is not the challenges vested, skills built, or lessons learned, but the color of their skin. The nation's constitutional history does not tolerate that choice. This is American constitutional law at its best. This is sensible. Even the left's favorite former Supreme Court Justice, Ruth Ginsburg, agreed years and years ago that affirmative action was temporary. She even picked 25 years from that decision as a general concept, and we're right at about that point right now, folks. On the other hand, Sotomayor proves her racist bias by assuming that people of color are not smart enough to get into college on their own merits. As long as a longtime professor, I can tell you, I reject such extreme racist bias, and I have worked with students of all colors from every walk of life, and it's individual effort that counts. It does not mean what their skin color is. And that's a horrendous thing for an educated person like Sotomayor to say. And that's what if you boil down what she's saying, that's what it means. And we need to deal with that. We need to stop having such racial divide and other divides in this country. Let's come together. Let's stop dividing us. I also want to volunteer that the best teacher I had while attending an Ivy League college was Al Walker. Al Walker was a Black man. He was an artist. He had not attended college. He attended art school, but he had common sense and he had teaching skills. Harvard is one of the losing university defendants, by the way, in the two Supreme Court rulings. In my own opinion, it is a broken brand and it has destroyed itself in just one generation. I encourage students to aim for better schools. I worked my butt off to get into an Ivy League college. I was first generation. In fact, I was the first person in my mother's family tree to graduate from college. We need to award merit and effort, not skin color. The interesting fact about the current controversy was that it was brought by Asians who had worked their butts off to get good grades and SAT scores, only to be rejected because they had the wrong skin color. How can that not be a violation of the 14th Amendment? So the F grade today belongs to the racist justice on the U.S. Supreme Court, Sonia Sotomayor. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Saving America. Thanks for joining us. And if you've enjoyed this special episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.